Welcome back, everybody, to another episode of One Plate Gourmet, and to that I say happy Halloween. Today we'll be making a dish from pumpkin. Coconut milk, cherry tomatoes, shell pasta, rosemary, Parmesean cheese, salt, black pepper, cayenne pepper, butter, flour, nutmeg, cinnamon, cream cheese, and one small pumpkin, of course, for a serving size of 1. As per usual, let's start with the prep work. Luckily this time around it's just the pumpkin, so you don't have to worry about anything else. So first, slice into slices along the perforated lines, and then using a spoon of choice, scoop out the pumpkin seeds, which you can roast later on. Then just peel off the back of the skin with the vegetable peeler or a knife if you're at that skill level. Then place into a glass bowl halfway submerged in water and boil. We're going to steam this little guy for 20 minutes. Once that's done, you can check with a fork its doneness. The fork should be able to pierce through with little to no difficulty. Transfer to a bowl for mashing and mash away. No need to add any seasonings to the pumpkin at this point because you want to retain as much of the original pumpkin taste as possible, which is why I recommend using an actual pumpkin instead of the pre-mashed stuff in a can. Real quick, into the boiling salt water your pasta goes till al dente. While that's getting done, let's finish our sauce. So we'll start off with a roux, which is an equal portion mix of fat and flour. You want to wait till your butter just about stops splattering, then add in your flour and mix continuously. Go ahead, add in your milk in small portions at a time, making sure to mix and incorporate the roux properly. Try stirring in a figure 8 if it's your first time. You want to keep mixing to prevent clumping until your roux is distributed evenly across the sauce as a whole. Once that's ready, add in your pumpkin puree and incorporate completely. Their heat can be brought down to a medium-low at this point. Then throw in your cream cheese, your cinnamon, nutmeg, and cayenne pepper. Mix these together and of course taste for any needed adjustments in seasoning. Then add salt and freshly ground black pepper to mix as needed. After straining, throw in your pasta, which should be ready by now, and because you are using shell pasta, they will all individually retain some pasta water, which will help in the emulsification of the sauce, to which we shall then grate some fine Parmesan cheese, because what is a pasta without its Parmesan cheese? What is a pasta without its Parmesan? Plating, an essential part of this channel. So add your pasta on a plate and garnish with some cherry tomatoes and your rosemary. Then go ahead, top with a boatload, an actual measurement, of more cheese. Ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. Happy Halloween, everyone. Hope you're enjoying this year's festivities. You know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe down below. If you want to see the trailer for this episode, click up there, blah, blah, blah. I have a masquerade to go to this evening, so enjoy. Oh, and thanks for watching.